divide 37 by 2. So here we divide 37 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside 7. So it is 2 times 8 means 16. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is also no any number beside. So we put here the decimal so that we can keep here 0. So now 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 37 divided by 2 we got 18 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.